Yeah, the Mural project is a really interesting collaboration between Challenge Factory, Creative Connection, CERIC, and OCWI to see what happens when we have a 3-day national conversation with people who are focused in the area of careers from coast to coast to coast in both official languages, talking and thinking about the future of work. What power could we unleash if they actually could have one single conversation all together? And in order to do that, we really wanted to take advantage of art. And we thought, what better way to have one single conversation than to let the 1,000 delegates that are currently at this Cannexus conference go to their individual sessions, spend time talking with each other, and bring everything back to a massive mural. It's day one, it's early days, and we don't know what's going to come out on the mural, but we can't wait to see what Canada thinks about the future of work.